Thank you for taking this course, Introduction to Careers in the Field of Information Technology. Again, a presentation of coding boot camps. So we looked at the practical career roadmap for IT professionals. And again, the topics covered were the overview of the field of computer science and information technology, or IT, looked at web design and development topics, software engineering topics, mobile application development topics, system administration topics, cloud technology, blockchain technology topics, and of course, we looked at jobs for all of these topics. Congratulations, you have successfully finished this class. As a follow-on, please look into these courses. Please check back with Coding Boot Camps for more information. Some courses which are very highly recommended are HTML and CSS, database design, an introduction to Python programming, introduction to blockchain technology, introduction to cybersecurity, that's a really good one, and introduction to cloud technology. Once again, thank you, and this has been a presentation of Coding Boot Camps, and we'll see you in the next class.